In this video, we're going to show you how to install a TST Industries closeout on a 2009 to 2013 Yamaha R1. We're going to begin by removing the passenger seat and unplugging all the wires to your signals and your license plate light. This is for the license plate light, and the two signal wires are here. You have to pry up on this tab and pull out towards the rear, just like that. Now we can begin to loosen the fender. The fender is fastened with these 3 bolts. Once we take them out, we're going to be able to drop the fender and replace it with the closeout. So here you're going to want to support your fender as you unscrew it so it doesn't fall. Okay, put it to the side. We'll go on to the next step. Alright, so to install your closeout, we'll take the screws that came with it, mount them in the closeout, put this up to the undertail, like so. Get it through the 2 side-by-side holes here. And then we're going to go to the top. Line the triple washer so the screws can penetrate, and we're going to use our nuts that came in the kit to fasten this together. Now that we fitted the nuts on the screws, let's go to the bottom. We'll now align the closeout so it looks visually centered. Okay, now we can go ahead and use an Allen key and a socket to tighten the whole assembly up. Alright, now the job's complete. You can reinstall everything in the reverse order of this assembly. You can be ready to ride.